it's Vaibhav and you are watching Yoga Buddy. So guys, in this today video we are going to solve a very major problem of back pain, that as we know as that in this pandemic situation all we have to do is work from home. Even if you are a kid, you have to just sit from your laptop or your desktop or your mobile to take online classes of 5 to 6 hours, or even if you are an employee, you have to just sit beside of your computer or your desktop and just kept on typing. So from sitting in the long term, so your back pain increases. So for that I am here for having some best exercises for your instant relief of back pain. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, our first exercise is extended triangle pose or trikonasana. For that, just make sure to have 2 to 3 feet distance from your both feet, and then straight your one leg and then spread your both hands and cut your body one side and grip your ankle joint. Look towards your hand. Hold here for 2 to 3 minutes and then come back. I am not doing it from opposite side because the video will be extend too long. So the next asana is make sure to 2 to 3 feet distance from the mat, and then in 90 degree, it is known as just extend. So next asana is just make sure to have a 2 to 3 feet distance from your both feet and then go in 90 degree, and then just turn toward one side and then opposite. You can feel a cracks from your body. Inhale and exhale, inhale and exhale. Practice this 2 to 3 minutes and come back. Next asana is Parvat asana. For that, just make sure your heels touch towards your mat properly, and then look towards your both hands or your palms. Hold here for a few minutes, and after that, our next pose is cat cow pose. For that, inhale, come in tabletop. Your hand should be in the line of your shoulders and the same distance between your both legs. Inhale, hunch up, exhale, hunch back. Inhale, look up, exhale, hunch back. Inhale, look up, exhale, hunch back. Next asana is cobra pose or bhujangasana. For that, just bend your back and lay down in your position, abdomen side, and place your both palms beside your chest, and then inhale up, bend your back, look upside in the ceiling side, and hold here for a few minutes. After that, just lay down in your position, and then next asana is locust pose. So for that, just inhale and then raise your both legs and exhale. Inhale and exhale. You will feel a very hard stretch on your both shoulders. Practice it few times. Hold here for 40 to 50 seconds. And after that, our next asana is Makarasana. For that, just bend your both elbows, put your both hand palms on your cheeks, and then stay in it. You can also move your both legs like this. And our next asana is Matsyen asana. For that, just come up in tabletop and sit in Vajrasan. Straight your legs in Dandasan. Very good, you're getting it. And then firstly I'm showing you some warm up that you have to do before doing Matsyendrasana. For that, inhale up and exhale. Practice it few seconds, and then opposite side, inhale and exhale. So now again sit in Vajrasan. Bend your left leg towards your right leg, and then inhale with your right hand, and from your triceps grip your ankle joint and look back. Hold here for few seconds, and then you can do it from, you have to do it from the another side. Let me show you from the next view. You have to grip it like this. So our next pose is our next pose is bridge pose. So bend your both legs, touch into the buttocks, and grip your ankle joint from your palms and inhale. This will help to back pain relief. And exhale. Inhale and exhale. So the next asana is the best asana for the entire video, that is 2-knee spinal twist. So you have to do it like this and like this. This. You can do it also like just you straighten your both legs, bend your one leg, and then turn toward it next side like this. Hold it for a few seconds. After that, practice it from another side, and then slowly come back in like Dandasana. So our next asana exercise is like, as much as you can, you have to go down with your hands like this. Slowly come back, and the last time you have to spread your both legs and then raise your both arms up and fully exhale in the rabbit pose. You can relax in this position after doing this today practice. Slowly come back. So guys, that is it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it and helped to instant relief from your back pain. So guys, let's meet in the next video. So goodbye and namaste.